friends, welcome back to my channel Arty and Crafty. Today I'm going to show you how to make quilling swirls. For that we need quilling strips, a glue, needle, scissors, and these three types of swirls I'm going to show you in this video. So let's start it. First I have cutted the quilling strips into 4 parts and I have taken the 2 parts of each strips. Now glue all the strips together. Glue all them. Let the glue dry. Then we'll take a needle or a pencil or pen and make a swirl. Now pull the strips to get your desired quilling swirl. So here it is, just hold it. And glue all this together. So here it is. You can make 2 swirls and join together to make a heart like this. So these are swirls. Now for the second swirl we need this 4 strips. You can take as many as quilling strip as you need. So I'm taking here 4 strips. Glue them. First I'll take red, red, and let it dry. Now it is dry. Now let's make a swirl. Just pull. Take all of them together and just cut with the scissor. Now swirl the opposite side. We'll make a S swirl. So here it is. This is another swirl. Now let's do the third one. I have taken these 4 strips. I'll cut into half. I'll glue them together. Here I have glue all the strips. I have taken 6 strips. Now you can take a pen a needle, a pencil or a pen to swirl. Pull the strips. See how beautiful it looks. I'll take all the glue here also. Let it dry. Let it dry and always apply a glue on this side so that our quilling is secure. Now you can take any thin pin or a needle to just roll. Opposite side you have to roll. Just remove it and see that all the strips are together. Just make a tight coil. See. And now apply a glue over here and just hold it. Apply glue to each strip to secure its place. So this is the swirl. Now you can make it a 3D effect also. You can just push in a tight coil inside or with the help of needle. See this, a 3D effect. Or you can simply keep as it is. Whenever you do this, just apply a glue to secure its position, like this way, so that it doesn't move, and let it completely dry and then use your quilling project. So I hope you like my video. See this beautiful swirls, it will help you to make a beautiful quilling projects. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and comment my channel Arty and Crafty. Thank you for watching.